Okay. Okay.
Easy. Perfect. Just easy.
Okay, could hear that.
Welcome to my channel. Here we learn about chiropractic procedures from various famous chiropractors around the world. Please make sure to check out the links and explore their channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for notifications when I upload a new video.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah. Ouch. Okay. That's it?
No, stay there. We have to do lots of things now.
Okay.
You just slide down, please.
Slide.
You down.
More now?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay. That is interesting.
Just.
So my right shoulder and right wrist are very sensitive.
No, I'm gonna very gentle. Easy, easy.
Okay.
So deflecting to the right side only. Right side seems little weak.
Right side nerves
Yeah.
or the muscles.
It detects the nerves actually. So this area, it's showing, it's painful and vulnerable and little compressed. You get pain somewhere here?
Mostly around my shoulder.
This area, pura entire area. Na? So that's now.
Depends, like shoulder ka jo joint hai na.
Sure, this is coming from this place.
Okay, from this place. Sometimes it was there, but
Easy. Get back, get back. Easy. Just easy. Easy, 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 easy. Just loosen up. Perfect. This side.
yeah.
Just easy.
Okay, I could hear the cracks.
Loosen up. This one. Yes. Okay, face down please here. Face into the hole. Right here.
Yeah.
Loosen up your body please. Stay there, stay there. Take a breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. I'm opening your chest cavity.
Okay, it won't cause any side effects, right?
Not at all.
Any pain later on?
Not at all, not at all. Easy, easy. Loosen up. Breathe in. Out. Last. Out. That's right. Stay there. Breathe in, breathe out. This way, breathe in, out.
So this is only happening on the left side now?
Yeah.
The cracks are only happening on the left?
That is true, yeah. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. Yes. Stay there.
Okay.
You get pain on the left hip?
Pain as in when I do the
Stiffness.
splits or
Yeah. Impingement that.
impingement like happens in the I think hip flexors.
Hip flexors, okay.
Right or left sometimes. I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
posture kharab
So
ho
left
jata
leg is a little short actually.
hai. That is there, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Some
yeah.
imbalance is there.
Imbalance is the left hip has an imbalance.
So how can you fix that?
I'm gonna fix it right now.
Okay, the left.
Yeah. Take a breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. is visible here. It's a compressed fracture of
Yeah,
L2
it's
over
slightly smaller.
This is smaller, no? So that is a compressed fracture.
It was compared between the other two.
Other two, yeah. So I'm not gonna touch it, right?
Okay.
Right? I'm gonna do L5 only. So we're not touching this one,
Okay.
right? Because it's united. And let's keep it like this.
Okay. That doesn't.
Yeah, yeah. Come over the edge, please.
Over the edge.
Straight to this side. Hold your hand. Just easy. Loosen up your body. Yes, this side. Come over the edge, please. Make it straight. Straight, please. Straight. Right here. Easy. Perfect.
Okay.
Straight lie down. Straight, please. Yeah. Easy. Perfect. Just loosen up.
Yeah. Yeah, even in ankle sometimes it keeps on.
Yes. Just easy. Right here. Easy. Yes. Perfect. Now on your tummy again, we'll do your ankle, the talonavicular joint basically.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. Come here, please.
Knees there.
Knees there.
Okay.
Hands here, please. Both knees there.
Okay, face there.
Face there. I'll tell you, just come back, please. Just come. Yeah. Hand here. Face into the hole. Yeah. Get back, please. Little more. Little more.
Yeah.
Thoda sa aur. That's right.
Yeah.
Just stay there. Just stay there. Take a breathe in.
Do I keep my stomach core tight?
No, just easy. Just go down. Just go down. Just go down. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. एक और. Out.
Yeah.
Perfect. Hands here. This one. Perfect. And your ear.
Ears also. Okay.
Yes.
I
Ear
didn't
can
know
be
that.
cracked.
Okay.
How was your experience with us?
It was very interesting. It was my first chiropractic experience ever. Like I just researched online before coming. What is it all about? Definitely, I mean, the entire cracking thing definitely feels like some change has been done.
Yeah. You feel good knowing about your body.
Yeah,
knowing
for
about
sure. Yeah. Because I am physically active and I want to progress in my yoga journey and my strength training journey. So I want कि everything aligned रहे, सब कुछ symmetrical रहे, कोई issue cause ना हो दोबारा. Because after the lumbar fracture,
you
like
need
I don't
conscious-
want anything else. Although I do everything, like I try to do headstands and splits. So I hope it helps better in that.
That definitely increase your productivity and flexibility endurance, of course.
Yeah.
हमें recommend करना चाहेंगे आप?
Recommend for sure. In fact, I had a few members of my family who were like very excited, like okay, we've never done that. कभी chiropractors के पास नहीं गए हैं.
That's good, ma'am. ये वीडियो इंटरनेट पे डाल सकते हैं मैम हम लोग?
Sorry.
इंटरनेट.
Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about my latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you with a new video soon.